How to change your email on Moneylion. Changing your email on Moneylion is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First thing first, open up your Moneylion app on your device. And if you haven't already, log into your account using your current email address. Make sure you have logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the menu icon. It's usually at the bottom. You can see it over here. From this menu, simply tap on Profile, which is in bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now scroll down and go to Personal Information, which is right over here. Tap on it and scroll down until you see your email. And here you can see my email. Now what I have to do to change the email is simply tap on Edit right over here. Tap on it. So it's showing email address update unavailable. Contact our customer care at the number for the assistance. So it's not available for my country, but it may be available for your country. I'll be explaining you the rest process from here. After you tap on edit, you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Make sure you double check for any typos. You wouldn't want to miss out on important updates, right? After entering the new email, tap on save or update to confirm your change. And here an important step. Moneylion might send us verification email to your new email address. Open your email inbox and look for the verification message. Click on the link inside to verify your new email. Once that's done, you are all set. Your Moneylion account is now linked to your new email address. If you have any question or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to the Moneylion support team, and you can see the number over here on my screen too. And that's it. Changing your email on Moneylion is quick and easy. So that's all for today's video. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.